Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create your own banner for social media, a blog, or even a YouTube channel, but weren't sure where to start or didn't want to spend any money, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to design a professional looking banner completely for free using Canva. By the end of this video, you'll have a customized banner that stands out and perfectly reflects your style or brand. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your web browser and head over to Canva.com. If you've never used Canva before, don't worry, it's designed to be super user-friendly, even if you've never played around with graphic design tools before. You can set up a free account in just a minute or two if you haven't already, just follow the on-screen prompts. Once you're on Canva's homepage, look for the big Create a Design button. It's usually in the top right corner. Click on that and you'll see a search bar pop up. Here, where the magic starts, just type the word banner into that search bar. Canva will suggest several options, but to keep things straightforward, choose the banner format that pops up. This ensures you're working with the right dimensions for most website banners. If you need something really specific, you can always adjust the size later, but the preset options are a great starting point. Next up, you'll be presented with a range of orientation options, landscape, portrait, and so on. For most banners, especially those for websites or YouTube, the landscape format is the way to go. Think of it like a billboard. You want it wide enough to catch attention, but not so tall that important details get lost. So go ahead and select landscape. Now this is where the fun really begins. Canva will show you a whole library of pre-designed banner templates. These templates are fantastic because they give you a foundation to work from. No need to start with a blank canvas unless you really want to. Say for example, you're making a banner for a bakery and you want it to highlight your fruit cake. In the template search bar, just type in fruit cake and you'll see a selection of banner designs that are themed or styled around that concept. Take your time browsing through these templates. There's no rush here. Sometimes the perfect design just jumps out at you. Other times you might want to pick a few favorites and see which fits your brand best. Once you've found one you like, click on it to start editing. And now here's your chance to really make it your own. Start by clicking on the text, change it to your business name, your message, whatever you'd like. You can tweak the font, adjust the colors, move things around, and even swap out images. If you're using a fruit cake template, maybe upload a picture of your actual cake or use Canva's free photos to get the vibe just right. This is where details matter. Little changes, like picking a color scheme that matches your brand or choosing playful fonts, can make your banner feel original and eye-catching rather than generic. Don't worry if this part takes a little time. Playing around with different elements is part of the creative process. And don't be afraid to experiment. Canva makes it easy to undo any changes if something doesn't look right. Once you're happy with how everything looks, just hit the download button in the top right corner. You can pick your preferred file type. Usually PNG for web banners is perfect, and that's it, your banner is ready to use. And there you have it, a stunning custom banner made 100% free with Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want help with a specific type of banner. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more easy step-by-step design tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.